Welcome back to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru and today's SOLIDWORKS tutorial we are going to model this 3D engineering component step by step. Looking at the drawing for exercise 25, this part feature a central cylindrical hub, symmetric outer bosses and smooth connecting fillets. We will start by sketching the top view profile using the main dimensions including 150 mm center to center distance, and then we will use extrude boss base and cuts to establish the varying heights ranging from 20 mm base plate to 70 mm central cylinder. Whether you are a beginner looking to improve your blueprint reading skills or an advanced user practicing parametric modeling, this exercise is perfect for mastering sketch relations and section views. Make sure to hit subscribe button, grab your dimension, and let's open your SolidWorks and get started. So we can close this exercise for starting from a sketch. Now we close the exercise and starting from a sketch, then go to a sketch and select any circle and take any plane like front plane, top plane, right plane. Today we are going from right plane. Create circles that here, and the third circle make the dimensions. First one is 100 mm, this one is 120 mm, and this last is 150 mm. Create some reference line for creating other circles. For construction and midpoint line. Select for construction and select here. Make it for construction. Go to smart dimension and measure it for 150 mm. And create two circles at this point. Make the dimensions of the circles are 50 mm and 80 mm. Create a 3-point arc at this point. Make this radius is 100 mm. Close this dimension tab and select these two lines with the control button and make it tangent. Select also this and make it tangent. So you can see here these lines are verified, and now we can mirror in these entities to here. So we can select mirror entities and select these entities and mirror about, select this line and click OK. Trim some entities which is not required like this. Sorry guys, here these lines are required. Trim entities and trim these lines only. Click OK. Go to Features tab, select Extrude Boss Base and extrude this profile up to 20 mm. Go to this boss base and arrow button, click here sketch, and so go to extrude boss base, select this sketch and delete this region, select this region and select this contours and extrude it up to 40 mm. Select this line. First one, delete this clear selection and select this profile and extrude it up to 70 mm. Here all the parameters are done. You can see here the exercise is complete, and that's wrap the exercise 25 in SolidWorks, and we can color it from this. Select OK. Select plain white for better preview. By breaking down the blueprint into clearer steps, starting with the main center lines extruding the different boss levels and finishing with those smooth tangent fillets, we easily transform this 2D section drawing into a clean 3D model. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more engineering design content. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an exercise. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the dimensions or if you ran any issues with the sketch relations. Thank you for watching. I am Guru and this is Guru Design Lab. I will see you in the next video. Keep designing. Thank you guys.